My name is Diane Olson. I'm part of the Master Watershed Stewards program in York County through Penn State University. We are doing all sorts of activities that center on trees, water, swamps, forests, in connection with the presentation of Shrek, so that we can see how what humans do affect the forests and swamps that all of these critters will live in. We're going to have a table where you can do rubbings. We have a table where you can touch things, pelts, antlers. We have a fishing game where you can fish out of a pond and see what kind of animals you will come up with. Big, green, Scots accent, good heart but rough on the outside.